Ready to get started? She Hair Extensions offers a complete starter kit for you to launch your extensions business fast. Our starter kit includes all the tools you need to get started in the multi-million-dollar business of hair extensions. Success starts with the tools you use to get the job done. And our She Flat Magic utilizes warm fusion to achieve effortless bonds as you work, featuring an innovative, cutting-edge heating system that works through high-quality ceramic plates. Its large screen display allows you to visualize and maintain a recommended temperature of 130 degrees Celsius. This means a more secure bond at the lowest temperature in the industry. You also receive our Extension Starter Training Kit that includes a deluxe color ring that supports consultation and selection of our over 170 colors and shades, as well as a tool belt, low-resistance extension brush, keratin cutter, remover tool, protective discs, sole gel, and a 20-piece pack of She Hair Extensions hair for practice. Unlimited artistry, the widest array of lengths, textures, and color effects. No one colors like she.